Welcome to my personal list of top 10 naturally aspirated V8 engines from last decade. Each engine is rated by power, power to displacement and affordability factors. These factors combined decide which place particular unit will take in ranking. So, without further ado, let's start strong with Aston Martin, British super brand. Here in particular we are looking at Aston Martin V8 Vantage, equipped with magnificent V8 unit developed basing on Jaguar engine architecture. High price and a relatively low power compared to other engines on this list place Aston as 10th. Nobody makes as crazy revving V8s as Ferrari. Engine supplied in 548 Italia produces whopping 134 horsepower per liter, and it sounds as if it was taken straight from Formula 1 car. This unit would crush all, if not the price, which is simply astronomical and drags Ferrari engine down to place number 9. Maserati is supplied with engine developed together with Ferrari, a high revving, beautiful sounding unit. Similar to Ferrari though, its price is so high that hardly anyone can afford one, which places this beauty as number 8. M159 Mercedes engine sounds like thunder and shakes the ground. It's purely brute force combined with German technology and reliability. Regarding power, this beast has no competition on this list. However, high price of this unit places it at 7th. New generation of Chrysler 300 Assorti 8 is equipped with 6.4-liter Hemi V8. This unit generates impressive numbers for a good price, which grants it strong 6th position. Time for Toyota engine suited for Lexus ISF. Lexus answer to BMW M3. This unit, along with great chassis, creates great package, and even though it did not really beat the M3, its silky smooth work and good power place it 5 on my list. Number 4. There was a time when nobody could imagine M3 without a straight 6 under the hood. Times have changed, however, and now it's hard to think of better engine than the crazy smooth revving V8 that BMW supplied for E90 M3. Chevrolet holds the edge with LS Series V8 for quite some time now, and leads among American muscle makers. The LS7 from Corvette Z06 takes the 3rd place on my list. New Ford 5.0 is not the strongest or most sophisticated from other engines on this list, but It offers really good numbers for really good money. Economy factor is what pulls this unit up to second position. Quick revving, sophisticated yet reliable unit from Audi, used in RS4 V8 model. This engine stands its ground against much stronger opponents with success, and with three factors combined, it gets to the first place. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the list. Share in comments what you think is the best V8 and why. Take care.